Apple has always been a company driven by innovation. From the first Macintosh to the iPhone, Apple has consistently pushed the boundaries of technology. Now, Apple is setting its sights on a new frontier, artificial intelligence or AI. This essay will explore Apple's latest venture into AI chip development, its potential impact on data centers, and the broader implications for consumers and businesses. Apple's journey into AI is not entirely new. Siri, the voice assistant, has been a staple of Apple products for over a decade. However, recent advancements in AI, particularly with technologies like ChatGPT, have ignited a race among tech giants to develop more powerful and efficient AI systems. Apple, with its history of creating elegant and user-friendly technology, is uniquely positioned to lead this revolution. And that Apple's AI ambitions are centered around developing specialized chips designed specifically for AI workloads. These chips, rumored to be called Apple Neural Engine, are expected to be significantly more powerful and energy efficient than traditional processors. This efficiency is crucial for data centers which consume vast amounts of energy. Apple's foray into AI chip development is a strategic move. By controlling the hardware that powers AI, Apple can ensure a seamless integration of AI capabilities across its entire product ecosystem. This vertical integration, a hallmark of Apple's success, allows for tighter control over performance and user experience. So, Dante Mikiin en pepan tien pian tie povune pontes pamli stes. Apple's expertise in silicon design is well established. The company's M-series chips, which power the latest Macs, have demonstrated exceptional performance and power efficiency. These chips, built on ARM architecture, are optimized for specific tasks, making them ideal for AI workloads. Apple's AI chips are expected to leverage this same design philosophy. By tailoring the chip architecture to the unique demands of AI algorithms, Apple can achieve significant performance gains. This translates to faster SMTP processing, quicker responses, and enhanced capabilities for AI-powered applications. And as a data centers are the backbone of the digital world, processing and storing vast amounts of information. AI is transforming how data centers operate, enabling more efficient data analysis, predictive modeling, and automated tasks. Apple's AI chips have the potential to revolutionize data center infrastructure. The increased efficiency of Apple's AI chips could lead to significant reductions in energy consumption for data centers. This not only has environmental benefits, but also translates to lower operating costs. Moreover, the enhanced processing power allows for more complex AI models to be deployed, leading to more sophisticated data analysis and insights. The implications of Apple's AI chips extend far beyond data centers. These chips have the potential to power a wide range of AI-driven applications, from self-driving cars to personalized healthcare. The possibilities are vast and as yet largely unexplored. Imagine a world where AI assistants can seamlessly translate languages in real time, where medical diagnoses are made with greater accuracy, and where personalized learning experiences are tailored to individual needs. Apple's AI chips with their combination of power and efficiency could be the key to unlocking these advancements. For consumers, Apple's AI advancements promise a more intuitive and personalized technological experience. AI-powered features will become more seamlessly integrated into everyday devices, enhancing usability and convenience. Imagine a future where your iPhone can anticipate your needs, proactively suggesting actions based on your habits and preferences. AI-powered cameras could automatically adjust settings for optimal photos, while voice assistants could engage in more natural and meaningful conversations. Businesses stand to benefit significantly from Apple's AI revolution. AI-powered tools can streamline operations, automate tasks, and provide valuable insights from data. This can lead to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved decision-making. Companies can leverage AI for tasks like customer service, marketing, personalization, and fraud detection. AI-powered analytics can uncover hidden patterns in data, providing businesses with a deeper understanding of their customers and operations. Apple's strategic partnerships, such as its collaboration with OpenAI, signal a commitment to integrating cutting-edge AI technologies into its ecosystem. These partnerships allow Apple to leverage external expertise while focusing on its core strengths, hardware and software integration. The future of AI and technology is brimming with potential. Apple, with its history of innovation and its focus on user experience, is poised to play a leading role in shaping this future. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, Apple's commitment to developing powerful and efficient AI chips will be crucial in driving this technological revolution. Apple's venture into AI chip development is a significant step forward in the company's technological evolution. These chips have the potential to transform data centers, empower a new generation of AI applications, and enhance the lives of consumers and businesses alike. As Apple continues to innovate in the field of AI, we can expect to see a future where technology becomes even more intuitive, personalized, and seamlessly integrated into our daily lives.